Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another wig that I've made. Now I made this wig using Naked Nature's Wet and Wavy Bahamian curl hair. This pack comes with 7 pieces. Now on the camera you'll see that I got the one that comes with the 2 14-inch bundles, the 2 16-inch bundles, and the 2 18-inch bundles. But after I received it, I realized that it wasn't the length that I wanted, so I just went in and picked up the longer version. The longer version has the 2 18-inch bundles, the 2 20-inch bundles, and the 2 22-inch bundles. So what I did is I mixed the 16 and 18-inch bundles for ventilating that 13x4 frontal, and it is 100% human hair, honey, so you can dye it, bleach it, perm it, all that good stuff. And I just really am a fan of the natural look of it just straight out of the pack. It has that very like natural blown out sort of look. The hair is very soft, the quality of it feels super nice, so I was excited to work with this hair. So I'm using a 13x4 lace wig cap that I picked up from Amazon. This is what I'm going to be using to ventilate the hair. And like I said, I started with the 16-inch bundles, and I also paired it with the 18-inch bundles when I went in and started ventilating the hair. So now I'm just showing you guys my process, as always, of me ventilating the hair. And for me to get the hairline the way that I wanted it to, I kind of just mimicked my own hairline. I went in with an index card and I just drew out kind of how my hairline is, and then I followed that guide to just make it look more realistic. And y'all, it came out really good, and I'm surprised honestly too with the quality of this lace. I thought maybe it was going to be a little hard and ashy and strange because I'm more used to like the higher quality HD lace, but I was definitely a fan of this lace, you guys. So now I'm just going in and showing you guys my guidelines. As always, my lines are 1 inch apart, and at the top they're 1/2 inch apart. I doubled the wefts as always from about the middle of the head going all the way down, and then it's single wefted all the way up just so I can get that flat look. And then I went in and sewed them on my sewing machine just so that it's super secure, and this is how it's looking when I finished it. So this time I just wanted to show you guys how it actually looks on my head, because I know that that was a comment somebody left on one of my other videos, is just seeing how it actually looks on. And honestly y'all, I think this has to be hands down the best wig that I've made, period. The fit of it is super good. Like the cap construction is much better than I thought. This is another one that I like much better than the mesh wig cap. It has stretch to it, it's very breathable, and like I said, I just really like the quality of the lace. It matched and blended into my skin really well. I went in and cut the lace off using my wavy scissors, just like as you could see, and I'm just showing you guys how the lace matches into my skin. It's very good, y'all. Also, you're not seeing this on camera, but I did go in, I added 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and I added an elastic band. Y'all, I have no product on this whatsoever. I did not glue it down. I did not add any spray whatsoever. This is just sitting on my head with no product whatsoever. That's kind of why I feel like I did such a great job of this one, because honey, this is glueless, like nothing whatsoever. You may notice a little bit of white cast, and that's probably because I have absolutely no product on it whatsoever. If I just went in and spritzed a little bit of free spray or whatever, I definitely could get rid of that. But y'all, I'm pretty impressed with how this came out with just no product whatsoever. And like I said, just the regular quality of the hair without anything being added to it, super beautiful, very natural looking. And I just also wanted to show you guys how it takes water. In my spray bottle I have literally nothing but just water. There's not even any conditioner in there. So I just spritzed the hair down, went in, brushed it out, and look at those curls coming back like nothing. This hair is super beautiful, you guys. I really am a fan of this one. The density is sitting at like 180%, y'all. I used almost all the bundles, so it's super big, super full, but very lightweight. And like I said, it's 22 inches. and it absolutely is true to length, y'all. Even when it's curly, you see how it's still matching about the length of the natural look. But that's pretty much all I have to say. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up, any styles you want me to try, any hair you want me to try, any different things you want me to try as far as ventilation and making my own wigs. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.